Kanti uyabona lo mawengane wamthatha wamlobola wamenza umkakho. Sazokutshela thina ukuthi lo mawengane wechanyelo ubani. Umkakho lomthathile ubani wemchamela. Umkakho lomthathile ukuthi wabreakwa ubani. Sazokutshela ukuthi uhawu nalomkakho wahlabeka ngephutha kuphi. Wayedaka utshwala. Uphuza utshwala ngithi wena nomkakho uyisiyabhu yapho uphuza utshwala. Sazokutshela ukuthi nalomkakho wakolela noba sisikhawuntele ezifika 30. Ugane wena namhlanje leyo nja leyo. Imfivilithi into engenavelu. Intombazane ephuza utshwala, intombazane kade izali ivula amathanga. Iwavula ijabule, igona amadoda. Sekumkakho sazokutshela nokuthi umkakho ayekholwa ubani. Kuyofika lokho ngoba ngithanda abantu abanezingane.
If ulalela le video ngifakile izolo, I think I did say something along the lines ukuthi as amadoda we really need to create platforms and environments that are going to allow us to teach each other indlela yokuziphatha njengendoda, so that we can regain their respect nesasithunzi sobudoda. Because a well-respecting man unendlela yokukhuluma nokuphimisa izinto ngisho noma engavumelani nazo. Because sonke we have ama priorities and sinezinto esizithandayo nezinto esizifisayo. Now I'm sitting here and I'm thinking, okay, right. Asithi intombi yami noma unkosikazi wami engamthola mina ke ngesikhathi engimthola ngaso, without knowing history yakhe, without knowing past yakhe, because kwenze ukuthi uhlangane nomuntu umthande and kube umuntu ongaba ubambo lwakho, because lo muntu ohlangana naye manje awumazi. The only version of her that you know is the one that you see now, and you fall in love nalo muntu wesifazana umthande, and she turns out to be the best person uke wathandana naye empilweni yakho. And ekwenzeka, and then you find out ukuthi unengane, but you find out ukuthi unengane but uyamthanda. So what must happen? Uyamshiya because unengane kodwa umthanda, and le version yakhe lo hlangane nayo i-version yomuntu wesifazane okuhloniphayo, okubonayo ukuthi uyini, ongakumeet halfway in everything. You don't feel the burden of doing things by yourself. Uhlula bonke labantu ubukade uthandana nabo abangenazi ingane, uyabahlula 10,000. She's the kind of person ubukade umfuna kodwa unengane. Uyamyeka lo muntu, uyamshiya because uthola ukuthi unengane. Cha, umbuzo lo angisho ukuthi ngithini. Ngiyazibuzela wena bafu, ngifuna sidodisaneni, sikhulisaneni, sibone ukuthi senze njani, because impilo awukwazi ukuthi uyiphilele abanye abantu, kumele uziphilele wena impilo yakho, and inqomo zakho izona vele ekumele uphile nazo. Kodwa if uzophila impilo yakho ngoba usaba ukuthi amanye amadoda azothini ngeinqomo zakho, then awukalungeli ukuthi ungabizwa ngendoda, because uyindoda enjani engakwazi uyimela noma ikumela isinqumo sayo. You are not a man. For me, if you are not a man who is a man of his word, or a man who is not able to stand by the decisions he make, so uhlangane naye ke usisi uright, uyonke into obukade uyifisa kodwa unengane, uyamshiya yini? Ngiyakubuza ukuthi uzomshiya yini, because khona amadoda afana nalo bhuti lo abazokutshela ukuthi belala nobani, kusiza ngani, yakha ngani leyo nto. Yini lento esho lo bhuti le wena oyithuma uyilalela uthi lento yangakha mina ngiyindoda, ikakha kanjani njengoba ehlaza kanjeni? Yini lento akayishoyo lo mfo lo oyizwayo wena uthi yazi la lo muntu lo uqinisile, mina ngeke ngimthatha umuntu wesifazane because 1 2 3 ngoba usifiso noma ujabulani uthe. Mina ngikhuluma into ezokakhe ezokwenza ukuthi uma uhleli phansi uyihlaziye into ama pros and cons, and then you go out and make a decision. Kodwa ikhona indlela yokuphimisa izinto, yokukhuluma. If ufuna ukungifundisa something, ngifundise ngendlela nami engizothi mengukulalela ngifundiseke. Hayi indlela yokuthi ngiyiqhenye ngokuthi wena ukuhlaza and uyabathuka abantu umukhuluma nabo. That's not how it works. And that's why it is important ukuthi thina amadoda, we have to come together, create forums, sitodisaneni, because lezwe lethu labantu abamnyama can only be built by us. Yes, kuyadonswana nabantu besifazane, but if thina we start at the grassroots, they call it grassroots level, thina i-foundation yakhiwa yithina. Thina ngithi asilwi nabo, ibona abalwa nathi. But the moment bebona ukuthi thina silwi, sizama ukwakha, bazo-realize ukuthi nalempi abazama ukuyilwa nathi ayikho. Therefore, kuyophoqa ukuthi basijoyine ukuthi size sisakhe isizwe sabantu abamnyama. That's how it works. But we can't be priding ourselves ngokuba kuhlaza njengalo bhuti lona uthuka abantu, and uthuka abantu besifazane kodwa not directly, ngoba uthuka nendoda eyothatha umuntu wesifazane based on the decision that he feels ukuthi this one is good for me. So wena uzohleka mina ngoba ngikhethe uThokozile for some reasons which you don't know. When wazi ukuthi uThokozile wayilala nobani, but mina ngazi uThokozile le version nekaThokozile engiyithandayo mina. Le ndlela uThokozile akayiyona kumina, yile muntu engimfisayo mina, ongikwazi ukuthi ngakhe naye. Ngisho noma enazi ingane kanjena, ngiyamthanda lo sisi. So ufuna kwenziwe njani ke? Hey, sizokutshela ukuthi wayekhanyelwa ubani. Kuyongisiza ngani lokho? Uzama ukungihlaza, uzama ukungihumiliate by telling me ukuthi belala nobani. Kungisiza ngani lokho? Akungakhi. So why? What's the point? Yini lento kuwena phakathi kuwena kwenza ukuthi ufeel ukuthi it's imperative ukuthi usitshele ukuthi wayephuza kuphi, wayelala nobani, ulele nabantu abengaki. How is that going to benefit me when you think about it? Before ungitshela wena ukuthi uThokozile wayelala nobani ngephutha, yini lento wena oyicabangayo phakathi engqondweni yakho ekutshela ukuthi mtshela uJabulani ukuthi lo mfazi wakhe wayelala nobani ngephutha? Kungisiza ngani? Kungakha ngani? Ngoba wena umazi ngalesa sikhathi, mina ngimazi manje. So what do we do now? Ikhona indlela yokuzibeka izinto. Yes, abantu besifazane, they tell us ukuthi they've got preferences, they've got standards, and nathi we are supposed to have our standards, and we are supposed to put ourselves in a position where we feel like I want this, I don't want that. And mina ngikwazi ukuthi ngimgxeke umuntu wesilisa methi mina angimfuni umuntu wesifazane onengane. Right, that's your choice. There's nothing wrong with it. That's your standard. But awukwazi ukuthi umgxeke omunye umuntu wesilisa methi mina ngiyamthanda ngisho enengane, I love her with her child. You can't blame that person. Because we allowed you to have that option yokuthi umkhethe umuntu wesifazane ongenayo ingane. And if ngiyahlangana naye ukuthi lo wayelele nabafana abawu10, I have to evaluate mina ukuthi okay, njengoba elele nabafana abawu10 kanjena, what are the pros and the cons? Njengoba sengimthanda kanjena, njengoba sengikwi relationship naye kanjena, what's going to affect me and how am I going to work around those cons? Right? The pros are that ngiyamthanda, the pros are that she's a good person to me, the pros are that nengane zami uzamukele, the pros are that uyangihlonipha. But the cons are that because of a sexual history, there could be 1, 2, 3 things that could be a predicament in my relationship. Then how do I maneuver that? How do I work around that? Since sila, you function as a human being, you reason as a human being, independent of abantu abazokubangela umsindo bekhomboza ukuthi ulele nobani waphuza amasavana. But you have to make the decision as indoda. You have to make that decision as a man who knows what he wants. But then I ask you, le video le kaMjida le osanda kuyibona manje njengoba ehlaza kanjena ikakha ngani? How does it build you? Because his intention is not to build you. His intention is not to help you become a better man. He's just pushing you to be a judgmental man. And if you follow that trail, you are not going to be an honorable man. Because you would act as if when you have no history, you have no past. And most of you, we know ukuthi nani you've got a past. Yes, you can come and tell me ukuthi we can have a conversation ukuthi amadoda nabantu besifazana abafani. Yes, that's another conversation, but the conversation is not about the differences between men and women. The conversation is about you also having a past of your own that maybe if it was put to us, you would be humiliated, embarrassed, and you wouldn't want anybody to know anything about you. Uyindoda unjalo. The question is, igaka ngani lento umjita kayisho manje? How does it build you as indoda? Angikhulumi nabantu besifazana, ngikhuluma nawe as indoda. How does this build you? Thank you.
Hello Mzansi, welcome to Mgozi waseMzansi. Usenkingeni lo bhodi lo wende video athi thina sisatonjela ukuthi lamakhosikazi enu bekalala nabo bani, ubreak wengibani, wahlabeka kuphi ngeliphutha. Abantu abaningi bafile ngazuthi inkulumo yakhe beyinokuzelela, ayinasoka nangokuthi nje na he was just disrespecting abantu besifazane. Bathanze kakhulu impendulo yalo bhodi makamphendula cause ndlela lakhuluma ngayo Nkosi yami cha ayikhombisi nje inhlonipho kubantu besifazane nakancane. Abantu abaningi they were fuming lapha kuma comment sections basho ukuthi usho ukuthini kahle kahle, what do you mean, ufuna ukuthi sive ngawe kanjani. Do comment your thoughts down on the comment section. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. I'm signing out, so goodbye.